I'm a sophomore. I'm an SL here. An SL is basically what is the new model of an RA. Basically, I make sure that the well-being of my students, especially, or just the people around the building, are good. Just to take care of somebody. As in terms of what I'm studying, I'm pretty much undecided, but I want to try getting into BIT and also hopefully in the future maybe try majoring for physical therapy and stuff. I chose Gen 1 because I feel like that's something I more relate to and stuff because my family didn't go to college and stuff, and well, like some of my family like didn't really finish high school and stuff. So I felt like it was upon me and stuff to like I wanted to personally like see if I can get pretty far and stuff. I've already graduated high school and here I am at Virginia Tech, which is pretty special to me and stuff because I want to take my education to a higher level, and I also want to I kind of want to do something great for my family, not only for my family but for myself as well. The community has supported me in many ways. Like for example, like if I have questions about academics and stuff, usually I talk to them, especially like staff too. But when it comes to other students in the Gen 1 community, they they may not like have the answers right away, but they'll do their best to like make sure to keep you informed and stuff. To like let you know what's going on. Like for example, like I was very unsure about like certain classes and stuff, and I didn't know how to proceed and stuff, and I asked for advice about the majors, certain classes, and they always like try to find a way to help me and stuff, and I felt like that's a very special thing about this community. I think if someone were to join the GenOne community, I feel like it's worth it because it's kind of hard to find places anywhere else, to find this sense of like connection between people that are completely different from you but have one goal in mind.
Well, my name is Ava Rodriguez. I'm Dominican and I'm from New York, Long Island. And I'm in general engineering and I plan on majoring in aerospace engineering. Well, I chose Gen 1 because I grew up in a predominantly white town, and something that really helped me be a part of that community was joining a club that spoke about the cultural experiences and the history of other minorities. And I knew that after learning about the description about Generation 1, I knew that it was something that was similar in a sense to what I did in high school, and I wanted to be a part of a community within this institution. So it's been great overall. Everyone here is so welcoming, and the staff and the teachers are really willing to help you learn and grow as a person. And overall, amazing since everyone's just welcoming. Something I did find surprising was how welcoming everyone was. It was almost a shock to me how everyone was so willing to help you out, and it was definitely weird for me to see how much other people are invested in you. I recommend it to anyone who is a first generation student since it helps you feel a sense of belonging, and it also connects you with people from similar backgrounds.
My name is Kaylee. I'm a first year math major, and I picked Gen 1 because I wanted to come into college with a sense of community. So far, my experiences with Gen 1 have been great. Everybody's very kind and helpful. Whenever you have a question or concern, there's always somebody to help you with that, and there's just a lot of support within it. I think the thing I found most surprising was just the fact that everybody shares very similar experiences, and everybody's very open to sharing these, so you realize that you're not the only one struggling. The community has definitely supported me. I'd say just through like the community nights and information that the leaders share. The community nights are just like a gathering of all the Gen 1 students, and we just talk about different topics, things that could be useful to us. But overall, I just think it's a great community where you can find a sense of belonging, and it's very resourceful as you go through college.
Generation 1 is a community that's designed to support and celebrate the first generation identity. We are on our second cohort of first generation students, and so it's been exciting to watch our students grow over the past year and a half. One thing that I would say about Generation 1 that is the focus and the root of a student experience is one, that they're able to immediately find community. Two, throughout their time here, students are building a toolkit for their success. They're learning about resources directly from the different departments, representatives that come to our community to share. They are engaged and able to access all parts of the community, whether they're individually or they go together. And then the last part is that with all of those resources and the support structure of the leadership within Generation 1, students have that confidence to grow in their academic and professional development. If you're looking for more information or you just want to check us out, I suggest following us on Instagram. If you have additional questions and you want to speak or connect directly, you can email me at firstgen@vt.edu. So if you're a student at Virginia Tech or you're making your way to Blacksburg, why don't you consider making Generation 1 your community?